In this video, you will learn how to protect Excel sheet with a password. Currently, you can see here I have protected this sheet with a password. Now, if I want to edit these values, for example, I want to click on this. A dialog box appeared which says that the cell or chat you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change, unprotect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. So you can easily protect your Excel sheet by inserting a password. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Now I have opened a separate sheet to demonstrate how to protect your sheet with a password. Firstly, make sure that all cells on your worksheet or spreadsheet are locked. How you can do that? Click on this corner. Now you can see here the whole cells are selected. Now place your cursor anywhere, right click, and you will find the option of format cells. Click on this option and a pop-up window will be appeared. Now click on this protection, and in protection you can see here the locked is selected. If this option is not checked, then you are not able to protect your worksheet with a password. So you can see here I have selected this locked cell option. After doing that, click on OK. If this option is already checked, then you can enter on this OK button. After doing that, you can see here we have locked the cells. Now place your cursor on the heading of that particular sheet. You can see here the sheet name is superscript 4. Now I have placed my cursor here. Right click and you will find the option of protect sheet. Click on this option. Now password to unprotect sheet. It asks for password. I will write 1 2 3. Now here are useful functions: select locked cell, select unlocked cell, format columns. If you select any of these columns, then you can make these changes in protected sheet. Otherwise, you can't make any change in protected sheet. So we will learn these options on the later part of the video. Firstly, we will learn how to protect your sheet with password. Currently, you can see here I have unchecked all these options. After entering the password, click on OK. Then it will ask confirm password. I will write 1 2 3. Click on OK. Now our sheet is protected with password. If I click anywhere, then I am not able to make changes. A dialog box appears. The cell or chat you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. So I will click on OK. Now we will explore other useful options. Firstly, I will unprotect this sheet. I will enter password 1 2 3 and click on OK. Now again right click and click on this protected sheet. Password I will again write 1 2 3. Now here there are the useful options. For example, I want to allow other members to select locked cell. I will check this option, and I also want that other members can format cells. So I will check this option, and I want that other member can insert a column in current worksheet. So I will select this option and click on OK. Then again enter password 1 2 3 and click on OK. Now in previous part of video, we have protected the sheet and we have make sure that no one can make change in our worksheet. Currently we have enabled certain option. For example, we can select any cell because we have selected that anybody can select cell. We can format the cell. For example, I select this one and I want to change its color. You can see here because we have selected these options. We have already selected that anybody can insert column. I will select this one, right click and place select insert. You can see here we can insert column as well. but we have not selected the option of insert row. We can't insert row. For example, if I select this one and right click, you can see here insert option is not available. This is disabled. Similarly, we can't make changes in these values because these are password protected. If you want to change this value, for example, double click on it, a dialog box appears. The cell or chat you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. So you can enable certain option and disable certain option in password protected sheet. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.